What do all of these have in common? Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Yahoo, Barclays Bank, Honda, and many, many more big companies. Well, I'll tell you what, I won't just tell you what they have in common, I'll show you. All of these companies have realized the importance of putting their website onto Facebook. That's not just creating a page, it's actually putting web content onto their Facebook fan pages. This is Charmin, the people that are famous for toilet paper. This is Honda, the car manufacturer, and they've embedded their entire owner's site right into their Facebook fan page. Barclays Bank have embedded a squeeze page into their Facebook fan page. Microsoft embedding a website inside their Facebook fan page. Coca-Cola, exactly the same, embedding a site right inside their fan page. You see, they've all realized that Facebook is growing, and whether we like it or not, Facebook is just becoming the thing that people use more than anything else on the internet. You see, if all the rumors are true and Facebook really is going to break into the whole search engine market in the next few years, then doesn't it make sense that you want your content on the site where the searches are going to initiate from? Even if they're not, doesn't it make sense that the one website that has got a huge user base is where you want your content to be seen? There are people now who use the internet pretty much just for Facebook and other social media. There are people that run mobile devices with Facebook apps on them, and they view all the content from within that application. Setting up a fan page that just has a little bit about your business is much akin to setting up those little business card type websites that everybody did 10, 20 years ago. If you want to be at the cutting edge of where things are at, then you want to be embedding your entire website right inside of Facebook. And the good news is, it's now not complicated to do. You see, there's a piece of software, and this piece of software will let you embed your site into a Facebook fan page. And you can embed your entire website. You could just do a squeeze page. You could embed your e-commerce shopping site. This technique works with regular websites as well as sites that are built on the WordPress platform. You can use this on your own sites, and if you do work for clients, then you can do it for them as well and charge them for it. The system that we're giving you includes full over-the-shoulder instructional videos that will walk you step by step through the process, which isn't a difficult process, but it'll take you through what you need to do on the Facebook end, and then it'll take you through how the simple push button software works and how it does all the hard work for you. This is completely newbie friendly. It's really easy to do. Now, there are already people out there that will sell you a system that will get your site into Facebook, but most of them charge a monthly fee, or they involve complicated scripts that you have to edit and configure and upload and mess around with. Well, with Fanpage My Site, there are no monthly or annual fees. There's no editing of scripts. It just puts out files that are ready to upload to your web host and link into Facebook. There's no dependency on a third-party site that could force their ads onto you in future. There are already companies out there that are offering a sort of service where you can embed a page, but then they get to put their ads in. This software makes the entire process push button easy. In fact, I'm not just going to tell you about it. Let me show you. I'm going to do a live example right here, right now, and show you me embedding a website into a brand new Facebook fan page. Watch this. So here we are with the Fanpage My Site software. When you run the software, the steps are pretty much in the order you see them on these buttons here. So if you've never set up a fan page before and you need assistance with that, just click on the Setting Up Your Fan Page button and it will open up a video tutorial that will take you through the process. You need to set up a fan page, then you need to set up a Facebook application, which sounds complicated, but it really isn't. It is just going to a developer URL inside of Facebook, and clicking on an add button and filling in 2 or 3 boxes. Very, very simple and is all explained in the video here. There's also a tutorial that shows you the actual software that will then do all of the hard work for you. And then this button here will actually run the software. And then there's some additional information if you need to get an SSL certificate. This will tell you where to get one for free or alternatively a very cheap one. What we all want to do right now is just run the actual software so that you can see it in action. So you'll see when you run it, the first thing it asks you is to enter your Facebook application ID. Well, this is generated for you by Facebook when you ask it to create you an application, and it is that number just there. So I'm going to copy that and paste it into my software. And I click the next button and it will ask me for the secret key. And again, this is generated for you by Facebook when you ask it to create you an application. So there's nothing difficult here. Paste that in, click next. Now it wants to know my page tab URL. This is defined inside, and this is explained fully in the setting up the application video that is in the dashboard. Just going to copy that in. Now it wants to the title of our website. I'm going to call this one Your Own Software Empire, because that's the page that I'm embedding in. I'll just show you the page. There we go. This is the website or web page that I'm going to actually embed in this demonstration. Now I need to put in the URL, the web address of the site that I want to frame on my fan page. So we can just come over here. I can grab the web URL from the browser and I can paste that in there. Click on the next button. Now there's an optional like gate feature, and this is where I can define whether or not I want that turned on or off. If you turn it on, then when somebody clicks the button on your fan page to view the content, it will insist that they have first liked your fan page before it lets them do it. If you don't have that feature on, it will just take them straight to the content. So the feature's built in, and if you want it, you have it. Now it's going to ask me where I want to make my files, so I'm just going to put them into this folder here. And it goes away and it creates the files. You'll see that at the end it gives me the two things. One is a folder with some files in it, and the other are the actual instructions. And it's very, very simple. We simply need to upload these files to wherever we've told it. This is all covered in the video, so I'm not going to go into it in detail now. And then we have to go to this web address here to complete the process. So I'm going to pause the video for 1 second while I upload my files. Okay, I've uploaded the files to my web space. So now the final step is to either click on this link, and you can click on it and run it within the software, but I know that a lot of guys like to copy this out because they feel more secure about doing it in a regular web browser. So basically whatever you are comfortable with is fine. I'm going to come up here and paste it in there like that. And when the page loads, it's now asking me to decide which page or pages, because you can select more than one, that I would like to add this content to. I only want to add it to my Build Your Own Software Empire page that I've created. And I click the Add Page tab. And you'll know that it's done because it then shows you the actual content that it's going to be embedding. So if we now go to our Facebook fan page, and this was a fresh page that I set up earlier. Here it is. As you can see at the moment, there's no web content on there. I just stuck a simple cover on there and a nonsense picture. And this literally I created a little while ago, minutes. If I hit the refresh button then, and when the page reloads, you will notice that we now have this link on the bar at the top. And if we click on that, we should find that it is embedding that website or that web page exactly as we intended. So there you have it. That is Fanpage My Site. That is the easiest, most direct way of embedding any web content, any website, any web page right into your Facebook fan page. Here's the thing. This is what you're going to get when you order right now. You are going to get the Fanpage My Site software. That is software for Microsoft Windows. It just means the computer you run this on needs to be a Windows-based machine. The files that it generates are uploaded to your standard web server. You get a license to install and use the software on any 2 PCs that you own. So you can install it on your desktop and your laptop computer. You get unlimited use. You can make as many embedded sites as you like, and you can do that whether those are for yourself or they are for clients. In other words, you've kind of got developer rights with this. The files that this outputs, you have the right to pass on to clients, so you can offer this as a service where you charge people, or you can just do it for as many sites as you own yourself. All the training videos are included, so this is completely newbie friendly. You are shown how to set up a fan page, how to set up the application that you need to set up. You're shown how to run the software. There's a complete walkthrough, step by step. Nothing is left uncovered. This is totally newbie friendly. You will be able to do this. And if you don't have an SSL certificate on your server, there's also a video that shows you how you can get one for free. You get this as an instant download. Even if it's 2 o'clock in the morning, our automatic server will process your order and deliver the file to you so you can get started right away, whether our staff are in the office or they're not. And if you order right now, you get a special discount. If you order today, you're not going to pay $97. If you order today, check it out, look below, see what you're going to pay, grab this now while you can. This is the best, easiest, fastest, quickest, simplest way to embed your website on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye now.